Is test 2.
Yeah, same derelict one.
Testing a derelict property.
Hopefully a bit more accurate.
And this is again your photos, 10 photos?
Yeah,
plus
10
floor plan.
photos and just the basic information.
Okay.
BER, address, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, stuff like that. So priced at $425,000, this delightful 2-bedroom terraced house, exclusively offered by whoever, is situated in the heart of Dublin 8. Although currently bearing a BR rating of F, this property presents a fantastic opportunity for the prospective buyer to enhance and personalise a residence brimming with potential.
That's a good description on this one.
This property sprawls across 54 square metres and includes 2 bedrooms and a single bathroom. Each of the bedrooms is well proportioned, offering comfortable and private living quarters. The bathroom, functional in its current state, awaits the new owner's touch to transform it into a modern washroom.
Okay.
The main living space promises warmth and hospitality, complemented by an adjoining kitchen that serves up ample possibilities for customization, like you said your friend did here. This house is ideal not just as a home, but as a canvas for creativity and style. Located in the bustling and culturally rich Dublin 8, the area boasts a diverse assortment of cafes, restaurants and bars, alongside essential amenities such as supermarkets and schools. The area has outstanding transit connections, including buses and cycling lanes, ensuring the city centre is never out of reach. This house, with its extensible potential and unbeatable location, is a worthy investment or starter home for anyone looking to embody Dublin living. Despite the low energy rating, there lies a golden opportunity to substantially improve efficiency while increasing the property's value. Interested buyers should not hesitate to contact the agents to schedule a viewing and to potentially make this place the site of their new dream home.
Okay, Max, would you buy that home?